is a major burden in the entire world and also in India. The cancer incidence is growing enormously, very alarmingly over the years. In the last year, it was 15 lakh new cancer cases have been diagnosed in India alone. The major causes of cancer in India, 1/3 of the cases are because of one single factor, that is tobacco. Tobacco is a killer. Tobacco in any form is poisonous, and to create awareness on tobacco, World Health Organization has declared 31st May as a World No Tobacco Day. It's very, very important to understand the hazards of tobacco chewing, tobacco smoking. It is a myth that people think that smoking will cause only cancer of the lung. Tobacco causes havoc in the body. It damages every part of your body from head to toe. It damages the blood circulation, it clogs the blood vessels so that every organ in the body will get less amount of blood. In the process, the functioning of the normal organs in the body get affected. So from head to toe, again, every part of your body gets damaged and you land up in serious problems. First and foremost is cancer. Cancer of the oral cavity, starting from the oral cavity, throat, lungs, food pipe, and coming to the abdomen, you have stomach cancer, liver cancer, pancreatic cancer, gallbladder cancer, and you have uterine cancer, cervical cancer, and anal cancer. So you name it and you have it. Every part of the body can develop into cancer because of tobacco. So tobacco causes cancer, that you should remember. Unfortunately, it's a licensed food product which is freely available in the market, which kills you over a period of time. Coming to smoking. Smoking in our country, 85% of the people do smoking tobacco in the form of smoke, and 15% of them use tobacco in the form of chewing. In case of no smokers, the incidence of cancer is 2%. In people who take tobacco smoke, they have chances of developing cancer, again depends on number of cigarettes that they smoke. If they have 10 cigarettes per day, they have 20% chance of developing cancer. And if they smoke more than 40 cigarettes per day or 30 to 4 packs of cigarettes per day, they have 80% chance of developing cancer. So smoking reduction, there is nothing like reducing the smoking. You have to stop smoking. You have to completely stop smoking to prevent yourself from developing the hazards of tobacco. By stopping smoking, your health becomes better within 2 weeks. You have a better breathing, you have better heart rate, the heart rate becomes normal, you have normal feeling of well-being happens within 2 weeks. So cessation is not that very difficult. If you think of it, you can do it. And the people who are truly addicted to smoking, we have several ways of getting de-addicted. We can do social counseling, we have several nicotine replacement patches, nicotine gums, and once you come to a doctor, they would help you to get de-addicted from smoking. So please stop smoking, and it is not too late. Whoever is smoking, they can stop, and all the ill effects of smoking can slowly be withdrawn from your body. So you take a date of your son's or daughter's birthday and promise them that you're going to stop smoking on that particular day. So any day is, any minute you can think of quitting the smoking, you can do it. Now coming to chewing tobacco. Chewing tobacco in any form is very, very dangerous. People talk about cancer of the oral cavity, that's a myth, but they have cancers. Entire body can develop into cancer if you chew tobacco. First and foremost is oral cavity. The entire oral cavity, which has normal secretions, which is pink in color, all the secretions will get dried up and the pinkness will go off and you become white in the oral cavity. Normal diet you cannot take properly. Any spicy food will become very, very spicy for you. Even the normal diet appears to be very, very spicy, and you develop bald tongue, the taste will go off, you don't get normal secretions in the mouth, you cannot swallow the food properly. Finally, you can't even open the mouth properly. We call it trismus. And once you get the trismus, we have seen very young patients, young guys at the age of 20 to 30, they can't even open the mouth properly. They have to use straw to eat food. So chewing tobacco is very, very dangerous. It causes so many hazards in the oral cavity and oral cancers, throat cancers and the body cancers. Now, there are so many masalas available in the market. People call it different names, different companies produce these kind of masalas. They would say that it is gutka free, it is jarda free. All kinds of marketing unfortunately happens in the TV ads and promotions. Any form of pan masalas which are available, I'm repeating, they are very, very, very dangerous. Not necessarily that it will have gutka or it will have some ingredient or not. Every ingredient in the pan masalas are dangerous. They are carcinogenic, they are chemical carcinogens, they create all kinds of problems which I just mentioned, like bald tongue, loss of taste, irritation in the mouth and trismus, and finally into cancer. So all these pan masalas are dangerous. I would suggest not to touch, not to get used to any kind of pan masalas. Now pan is available very, very commonly in our country. No other country has this pan habit. In our country, very, very commonly people use pan. Again, people say that this is simple pan, this is no zarda, this is safe. There is nothing like safe pan. Pan ingredients could be white slime or aracu nut, any kind of things that are put it in the pan. If not zarda, they are all carcinogenic. So definitely pan is carcinogenic. Especially aracu nut is like, we call it as an oral bomb, that is very, very and highly carcinogenic substance. So do not get habituated using pan, certainly not. So tobacco in any form is dangerous, and smoking tobacco is very, very dangerous. And apart from that, I would like to mention about passive smoking. When somebody is smoking and you have friends who are smoking and you are a non-smoker, you are also have very high chance of developing cancer. So avoid people who smoke and to keep social distancing. Especially when a person smokes at home, his children as well as his spouse are at higher risk of developing cancer. They also develop bronchial asthma, they have lung diseases, pneumonias. In small kids, they develop pneumonias. In the last year, there were 1.5 lakhs of children who are affected with this passive smoking. And the spouses, if a husband smokes, a wife gets affected. 30% of the cancers in women are related to passive smoking. So passive smoking is also equally dangerous. So you've got every right to say and avoid smokers coming in close contact with you. So smoking also causes damages to several bodies. Mainly, as I said, you have the blood vessels getting affected. Then you have possibilities of developing paralytic strokes, heart attacks, increased heart attacks, paralytic strokes and bronchial asthma, chronic pulmonary disease, and young men having impotency is one of the major cause of impotence is tobacco smoking. And for women, pregnancy, abortions, infertility, all these problems are related to smoking. Unfortunately, these days we have seen young girls getting into the habit of smoking. So apart from the cancer, you should understand that the smoking can cause havoc in your body. To repeat, paralytic strokes, heart attacks, bronchial asthma. Unfortunately, in the movies they show that once people who are smoking are heroes, but actually by smoking you're going to become a zero. So be careful, be very, very careful. Do not get into the habit of smoking. It becomes a fancy thing that your friends would offer you a cigarette and ask you to smoke, and that gets into a habit. Once you get habituated, then it becomes very difficult for you to get de-addicted. So never ever get into the habit of smoking.